Don't do that.
Sorry?
Sign says don't feed the birds. Don't do it.
They have those signs everywhere. I'm sure it's fine.
Please don't feed the birds. I'm begging you not to feed the birds. I'm begging you.
What's with the birds?
Please, please. I don't remember my name. I don't remember my hair color.
It's blonde.
I don't know.
It's blonde.
I don't know that, though.
What does this have to do with the birds?
It's only about the birds.
I'm just gonna give them a few
No,
crumbs.
not the crumbs. Please, not the crumbs.
You keep saying don't feed the birds, but you're not telling me why.
Make it crazy. They'll pick you up. They'll be gone.
What?
Do you want to see what it's like to fly?
What?
Do you want to see what it's like to fly? Fly away?
What?
Do you want to meet Zeus?